Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Face ID is already set up. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode and verify your face. Once done, open the app you want to unlock and check its settings or Settings app to enable Face ID permission. Make sure your true depth camera is clean and not blocked by a case or screen protector, because accurate scanning is why this works reliably. These first actions let you proceed to app-level configuration without guessing. You now enter the app's security or account settings and look for Use Face ID or Unlock with Face ID option. Tap it and authenticate with your face when prompted. This links the app to the system Face ID keychain. Once enabled, lock or background the app and reopen to test. This quick verification shows whether the app requests Face ID as expected. If the option is hidden, make sure the app is updated. Many apps expose Face ID. To finish, verify consistent behavior. Lock the app, reopen, and let Face ID authenticate you. If it fails, toggle the app's Face ID permission off and back on to force a refresh, and make sure the app has current permissions. If recognition fails repeatedly, reset Face ID in Settings and re-enroll. This fixes gradual recognition drift. Finally, check for iOS and app updates, because compatibility or permission bugs often block Face ID until patched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.